Intervals are turtle shells. My intervals, I know them very well. Now watch. Now when they're stuck close together, it's a second. I'm going to play this song. Will you point while I play? Because guess what? I see a keyboard floating in the water. Let me get it. Oh, how cool is that? I get to play it. Okay, let's do it. Ready? Point. Now when they're stuck close together, it's a second. When they're stuck. Welcome to the keyboard station. We get to do this one at the beach today. Go ahead and grab your magnets. We're going to be building our chords, our intervals, and finding C's and F's. You can pause this video, and I will just lay here and wait for you while you work. Back already? Well, it's time for you to choose the next station. Now this special note has a special name, and I have a special song to go with our special note. Are you ready to hear it? This is my C song, C song, C song. This is my C song. Sing along. I am learning how to skip. It's so fun. Do you remember how to skip on the staff? From a line to the next line, that's a skip. Is this a step or skip? Watch me play my bells. And I went a skip going up. I skipped right over that. Which way would I go? I'm gonna go up and skip only one key. That's a skip on the keyboard. Okay, here we go. Sit up tall, sit up tall. L-shaped arms, L-shaped arms. Rounded like a bubble, fingers that are trouble. Ready to play, ready to play. Do, mi, so, do, mi, so. Do, fa, la, do, fa, la. Ti, re, so. Goodbye, old paint. I'm leaving Cheyenne. What about this one? Ooh, do you see the third on the top and a fourth on the bottom? Which chord is this? It is the blue chord. Now it's time to bubble down under the sea. Ready? Let's go. Ooh, we're under the sea. I see our sea friends. Let's sing and point. I hear a fish. So far, so far me. We made it to Bug City. Do you see all of our bugs hiding? Let's do our bug chant. Here's our bugs. I like bugs every kind. Here we go. Caterpillar. Grasshopper. Climb up my apple tree. Shout down my rainbow. Slide down my cellar door. And we'll be jolly friends. So la-ti-do, do, 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 do. Sag around the sun, sag around the moon, sag around the chimney top every afternoon. Roll that brown jug down to town, roll that brown jug down to town so early in the morning. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the duck takes the sheep takes the pig, the sheep takes the pig. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the sheep takes the pig takes Jemiah, the pig takes Jemiah. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the pig takes Jemiah. Did you hear something at the end hiding? Bum, 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 bum. No, you're too big. Oh no! We don't want the bumblebee in. Go get the guards! Guards! Ooh, now the bees are a little worried. He's up on his horse again. Whoa!